Alrighty, guys. Hope you're doing well out there on this beautiful Saturday. I mean, it's amazing out here. It is a little bit humid, but other than that, it's a great Saturday right now. And I figure let's do a SoFi stock update, talk about how it did in the second half of the day yesterday, break down the charts, what I'm looking to do, all that good stuff. But before we do that, if for some reason you guys have not gone up to 17 stocks yet for Moomoo, what the heck are you waiting for? Each of those could be valued up to $2,000, guys. Use that link down below, or go to StockSurfest.com/Moomoo. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get a free share of C3AI stock right off the bat, which is what, $35-40 a share, and that's actually exclusive to this channel. And you get 5 more stocks, each up to $2,000. And again, that's just with a $100 deposit. And fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 stocks, and fund it with at least $5,000, guys. Listen to this. On top of all the stocks you already got, you also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed. I'm not kidding, guys. This is the best promo right now. So if you want to help out the channel and you want some free money, use that link down below. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive into it. So you guys probably caught my video yesterday on SoFi stock where we covered how it did in the beginning of the day, which you guys probably remember. Yesterday, SoFi got down to $7.71, which means we got back under $8 for the first time in a couple of weeks. Let me actually see when the last time we were under $8. Probably not that long ago. But yeah, last time we were under $8 was earlier this month on the 6th, 7th, 8th of June. I'm losing track of time, guys. What month is it? It's June, guys. It's June. So yeah, a couple weeks ago we were under $8 per share, and well, now we're back under that point as SoFi stock is pulling back. So you guys probably remember we hit that 771 level in the morning. That was at about 9:30, 9:40 a.m., right around there, 10-15 minutes into the session. And pretty much ever since that point, which is a good sign for the bulls, we rallied throughout the rest of the day, right? We hit 771. Then we ended up going all the way up to about 830, which was a pretty sizable move. Heading into close, we're talking about a 7.5% bounce back from low of the day to where we closed. That's a very good sign, guys. And we actually broke back over the 50 and the 180 SMAs. We have a golden cross here on the 5-day, which is great. But like you guys can see here, as I zoomed out a little bit, we're still trading in a downtrend, right? We're still technically at the top of this trend line that I just drew right now, and technically we're still at a lower high, even though we ran into close, which is again, that's a very good sign for the bulls. You guys can see here again, we're getting rejected by this trend line. We're at a lower high right now, and the bulls they're struggling right now, but if they're able to break out of this point, that's where the reversal could start to occur. And you guys probably remember in that video yesterday, we were talking about $8.30. That's a big level of resistance right now. It was support on, I believe, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, let me draw this line out to show you guys. We were holding that point, again, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then Friday morning, we ran right through 830, and again, we got down to 771. So now we actually closed right under 830. You guessed it, right? You can see right here, the stock went down 21 cents on Friday, down 2.5%, and closed at $8.28. So to keep it very simple, guys, we need to break 830. The bulls need to break 830. Not only would that break this trend line right here that we talked about, but that would also break us above the resistance of 830, which again was support on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So it is absolutely, it's critical, very critical for the bulls to break out of 830, 835, 840. So I'm going to set multiple alerts right now on SoFi. I'll put one at 830, mark is at or above, and I'll put another one, let me see here, we'll put one at 850. Let me do that now. Mark is at or above. Let's do that. $8.50. There we go. So if we start breaking 830, 850, and ultimately we start taking out $9, more like $8.75, which you guys can see that was the high on the 22nd, also the 21st, and on pretty much the 20th, right? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If we take out 850 followed by 875, that's where this thing could really start to reverse for the bulls. We could start breaking out to the upside, and at that point, guys, who knows where SoFi could be going. So I'm going to set my alert. Mark is at or above 875. So again, 830, 850, 875 is where where my alerts are right now, and that's where this could really start breaking back over, or at least towards $9, maybe even higher. And at that point, guys, this uptrend could continue. But let's play devil's advocate a little bit, guys, because like we said a minute ago, we're still in a downtrend on the 5-day 5-minute. You guys see that, right? So if we fail to break out of here, let's say we get rejected and start dumping back under $8 again, which is totally possible. It could happen, guys. Never say never. You have to realize there's multiple scenarios that could play out. If we start dumping back under $8, we take out that 771 low, which again is possible, then we might start going down on the 4-hour time frame. Let me pull it up and show you guys. We might start going down towards $6.50, $7, which you guys can see if I draw this line out, you'll notice that was the high from, when was this? The beginning of May, also from the beginning of March. So I'm telling you guys, SoFi, if it slips back into the 7s, right? Possible, very possible that we go down even more, maybe towards that 180 SMA on the 4-hour time frame, which is right around $6.50, $6.75, $7 roughly. That's where I think we could find support, if we break back under 771. And at that point, guys, my theory is at that level, if we do get back down there, that's where we're going to start to get a legitimate relief rally. After we kind of shook out all the weak hands, profit taking occurred, all that good stuff, that's where I think we could be getting ready for round 2, because you have to realize, guys, SoFi stock, and you guys know this, I mean, everybody and their grandma knows this went up way too fast, right? From 450 all the way to 1025. We're talking about in a month, pretty much. It ran up over 120%, and now it's down roughly from the peak around 17, 18, 20%, barely. So it's barely in a bear market, and you have to realize this is very healthy. And, if it comes down to $7, guys, that's just another 10%. I mean, that's not that much in the grand scheme of things on the downside, again, considering how much it's already ran up. And that would be very healthy, guys. Think about it. If it came down to $7, you want to know something crazy? It would still be up from the middle of May a good 55%. No joke, 55%. If SoFi came down to 650 even, guys, it would still be up from 460 back in the middle of May to 650, which is still $2 a share. We're talking 45%, almost 50%. So take a chill pill, guys. Everybody out there that's like, oh, Stash, you're an idiot. You were talking about SoFi, this, that, the third. We called this out, first of all. We called this out before it actually happened. You guys remember it was about, a week ago we were talking about SoFi when it was at $10 that it needed a pullback. And we nailed it. I'm not tooting my own horn, but we nailed it. I was saying it like crazy. I was, waving that red flag. And here we are now. And I'm telling you guys, there could be more downside. And anywhere from 650 to 750, that's where the real buyers, in my opinion, are going to start coming in again for a round 2 push. That's what I think. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Feel free to hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. You might as well check out my second channel as well, which I'm doing a $100 giveaway once we hit 1,000 subs. I think we're at 400 something subs right now, so check it out. Stocks Talks Money, link down below. And if you want some free money, don't forget to get up to 17 stocks for Moomoo, each up to $2,000. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks, each up to $2,000, and you get a free share of C3AI stock, which is $40 a share. And that's exclusive to this channel, only through that link down below, guys. And if you deposit at least $1,000 on top of the 6 stocks you already got, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 stocks. And fund your account with at least $5,000 on top of the 16 stocks you already got. You also get a free share of either Google or Tesla, guaranteed, which I know, guys, I know it sounds crazy, but it's 100% legitimate, and it's the best promo right now. So if you want some free money, guys, for Moomoo, again, the sponsor of this video, and you want to help out the channel, use that link down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys later.